Hey guys, so for any of you that know me or have been following my YouTube channel, you guys know that I am into instant cameras, Polaroids, Fuji Instaxes, and there is one particular camera, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Classic Neo, or Neo Classic, I don't remember the technical name of it, that I've been looking for a while. But the downside is it costs $150 new, roughly, and I just don't have that much to spend. So long story short, I was on Letgo, the app Letgo, the other day, and I found a brand new Mini 90 in Mass, about 45 miles away, and I'm currently going to go get it. The lady was selling it for $75, but I talked her into trading a couple things that I had listed on Letgo, so that's where I'm currently going. I tried calling a few friends to see if they were available so they could go with me, but no one was available, and as you can see, it's raining right now, which kind of sucks, but hopefully I make it safe, and next clip of this video can be me showing you the camera. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. So I'm on my way back to Keene. The house that I went to was just shy of in the middle of nowhere. I'm glad I had service because I actually missed the house and I had to message them. But I got the camera. I'm driving right now, so I can't show you. I'm looking for a coffee shop in the area so I can stop and record a video and grab some coffee. But I'm not finding anything. It's raining, it's foggy, people are driving weird, so I'm just gonna start heading back, and then if I see something, I'll stop. If not, I'll record a video when I get home. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, sorry if the audio quality sucks. I'm doing this with my handheld GoPro without my mic input. I literally just got home from picking up the camera, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This right here is the Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic. I'm not going to open it right now, even though I really want to. Carissa and I and her parents are going to see a movie, and I have to jet in a couple seconds. So I will do an unboxing of this bad boy maybe tonight. If not tonight, definitely tomorrow. But yeah, I'm super excited. Definitely an awesome experience. It was a little bit of a drive, but it was worth it. My head aches slightly. I couldn't find a coffee shop on the way home. It was just insane, people driving. So I'm gonna make some coffee before I leave for Carissa's. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.